Updating your billing address on Steam is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Visit the Steam website or open the Steam client and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account details. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Click on your profile name at the top right corner, then select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Manage your payment methods. In the Account Details section, look for the Store and Purchase History area. Click on Manage your payment methods to view your current billing information. Step 4. Update billing address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing address, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. Confirm that your new address is displayed correctly. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address on Steam. Keeping your information up to date helps ensure smooth transactions and account security.